Hi. In this video, I will show you how to make scalable repeating texture. This will be useful making a brick wall. Start with an object. In my example, it will be a cube, but then I will turn it into a wall. I'm using scale 6x4. This is important because from here we will use this as a reference for a single full texture measurement. Then create a material and paste your texture. Open the material and connect texture to base color. As you can see, my object is filled with texture, but when I resize the wall, the texture stretches and not repeats. Go back to Material Edit. Start by placing Object Scale. From here, we will take X and Y and make max node. This node will calculate which side is bigger to get proper number for aspect ratio. This is slightly hacky, but should do the trick. Then we will divide both Z and the max node by their sides ratios. For max node, it's 6, and for Z, it's 4. Then we will make a 2D float vector. And create a multiply. From here, create a texture coordinates, then take the vector and plug it into the multiply and finish by connecting everything to a UV. We are finished. This should now produce repeating texture and maintain the aspect ratio. You can also turn 6 and 4 numbers into scalar variables and make it more convenient. That's all. Thanks for watching.